Welcome to the to-do list. If you're opening the file in Google Sheets, you're going to see a screen like this to ask you to make a copy of the file into your own Google Drive. You're going to go ahead and click make a copy and then place in whatever folder you want. Once you have your to-do list in Google Sheets, you can open, and this is a very straightforward spreadsheet. There's only two tabs in here. There's the to-do list tab and the calendar view tab. The calendar view tab is for visual reference only. Here you're going to add any of the items that you have on your to-do list. You can see here my to-do list for the next few days. And then you're also going to put the due date for each item. Once you have completed the item, you can check the box that is completed. You're going to see the item crossed over. Under the calendar view, you can select whatever month you want to look at it. Here I have June 2024, but if I wanted to say July, for example, I'll just select July 2024. And then in here, you can see the items for my to-do list for the next few days. Anything that has been marked as completed, you're going to see this check mark before the item, and you're also going to see that background color is green. So it's very easy to keep track of what you still have to do for that day. One thing to keep in mind, you can have up to 10 items per day. Anything past that, you're not going to be able to see the items for that day on the calendar view. And then let's say you are done with your list, want to clear it out, you can either select the items that you want to clear it out and hit delete, or if you want to clear the entire list for the whole file, you can click this clear list button. Now, the first time on Google Sheets that you click this clear list button, you are going to be asked to save a script into your Google account. Go ahead and allow that to happen, and then you can come back in here and click clear list again. The functionality in Excel is exactly the same. The only difference is instead of that copy screen that you get on Google Sheets, you're going to get a prompt asking you to enable or disable the macros. If you disable the macros, the clear list button will not work. But that's really the only thing that's different between the two of them. If you run into any issues while you're using the to-do list, please don't hesitate to contact me. My email is up here. When you click on it, it will prompt up an email already pre-filled with my email address, and you can put any issues that you're running into or any questions that you have. Thank you and happy organizing.